Error NP-103105-0 on PS5. Don't panic, here are 2 quick fixes you can do right now. First, check the PlayStation Network status online. If servers are down, you just have to wait. There is no fix for a server outage. If servers are up, force restart your console. Hold the physical power button until it completely shuts down. Do not use rest mode. Unplug the power cable for 2 minutes to clear the system cache, then plug it back in and try again. This fixes most connection errors. If it helped, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Third solution. Check your internet connection stability. PlayStation Network is very sensitive to unstable connections. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired LAN cable if possible. If you must use Wi-Fi, make sure your router is close to the console. Avoid public or shared networks. Restart your router by unplugging it for 1 minute. After restart, wait until all lights stabilize. Fourth solution, change Wi-Fi frequency band. Many users fixed NP-103105-0 by switching bands. Log into your router settings. Try using 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. 2.4 offers better stability over distance. After changing, reconnect your PlayStation 5 to the Wi-Fi network. Fifth solution, set correct date and time manually. Wrong system time can block PlayStation Network authentication. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time. Turn off automatic setting. Set the correct date and time manually for your region. Sixth solution, sign in using browser verification. Sometimes Sony flags login attempts as suspicious. On your phone or computer, go to PlayStation website and sign in. Complete any security verification you see. Seventh solution, restore licenses. License sync issues can also trigger sign-in errors. Go to Settings, Users and Accounts. Other, then Restore Licenses. Select Restore, wait for it to complete, then restart. Eighth solution, change DNS settings manually. This is one of the most successful fixes according to Reddit and tech forums. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Settings, then go to Set up Internet Connection. Choose your network and select Advanced Settings. Set IP address to automatic. Set DHCP to automatic. Set DNS to manual. Primary DNS type 8888. Secondary DNS type 8844. Set MTU to automatic. Set proxy to do not use. Save settings and test internet connection. Ninth solution, update PlayStation 5 system software. Outdated firmware can block PlayStation Network access. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, install it. Do not turn off the console during update. 10th solution, rebuild database using safe mode. This does not delete your games or data. Turn off the console completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect controller using USB cable. Select Rebuild Database. This process may take some time. After completion, restart and sign in again. 11th solution, deactivates all devices from your PlayStation account. Too many active devices can cause authentication errors. Open PlayStation account management on a browser. Go to Device Management, choose Deactivate all devices. Now restart your PlayStation 5 and sign in fresh. 12th solution, factory reset as last option. Only do this if nothing else works. Back up your saved data to cloud or USB storage first. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to Reset Options, then go to Reset your console. Choose Full Reset. After setup, sign in carefully using correct email and password. If the problem still exists, contact PlayStation support directly. At that point, the issue is most likely account level restriction or region-based server authentication. Now, quick recap. Most users fix NP-103105-0 by checking server status, fixing network stability, correcting date and time, changing DNS or verifying account security. Hardware failure is extremely rare. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit like, share this with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real practical tech solutions. If you are still stuck, comment below with details, and I will respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.